Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal now moving the top court, the Supreme Court, that is against the Delhi High Court order. They'll be challenging the High Court's order that had come for rejecting his plea, challenging his arrest in the Delhi liquor excise policy case. We are told that the lawyers are expected to make the mention of the case at about 10:30 a.m. Now, there was no relief from High Court for Arvind Kejriwal, but it turned worse. There were, in fact, some scathing observations that were made by the Delhi High Court of how, because of Arvind Kejriwal constantly delaying to respond to the summons in person by the agency, it became not only a delayed trial to start, but it also caused problems and lengthened the custody of other accused in the case because they couldn't cross-question with Arvind Kejriwal as he did not cooperate with the probe. Now, while the Aam Aadmi Party denies the charges, it is moving the Supreme Court against the High Court order. I want to bring in our legal correspondent, Kanu Sarda, for the latest on that. Kanu, good morning. Tell us how important this is going to be. Are we expecting any immediate step up with the Supreme Court in this? Is there going to be a hearing today? Will this just be a mention of a case? And why does the Aam Aadmi Party think they'll have to move the Supreme Court despite the stern, scathing remarks by Delhi High Court?
Good morning, Pooja. The Aam Aadmi Party moving the Supreme Court against the Delhi High Court verdict is important because there were scathing observations against Mr. Kejriwal from the Delhi High Court, and that is why the lawyers have not taken even a 24 hours time to approach the Supreme Court. Now the lawyers I've spoken to, they have confirmed that they have filed a petition already before the top court, and they're going to mention it before Justice Sanjeev Khanna today at 10:30 a.m. Reason behind of urgent mentioning it today because the top court is going on leave for next 4 days. So urgent hearing or no urgent hearing will came to know only at 10:30 a.m. But in case the urgent hearing is not granted today, then most likely on Monday or Tuesday we'll see that Aam Aadmi Party's petition against the Delhi High Court order will be listed before the top court. Now, what is the urgency is here because the entire trial depends on the observations given by Justice Swarnkanta Sharma before yesterday. So that is why, Arvind Kejriwal is taking no chances to delay the thing, and that is why the lawyers have approached the
We'll be tracking that. So update us, Kanu, as and when there is a mention made of this case and if the hearing begins anytime soon. Appreciate you joining us, Kanu, for the latest on that.